If you are a district administrator, responder, or a teacher who does work at multiple schools, you may be assigned to various locations in your DIR-S account. This will require you at times to toggle between schools. In this tutorial, I will be running you through how to switch school locations. On desktop, we click My Account, and all of our locations are here on the right. So if I click Adams Elementary, I see there's an alert going off here. I can choose my location. If I need to check another site, I simply go My Account and check, and then I can jump between schools even if one alerts are going on and off. On mobile, it's very much the same process. We start on the home page, click the three bars in the top right, click Other Sites, and here it will show us which schools have an active alert going on. I hope this tutorial has been beneficial, and make sure and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos which are soon to come.